Should I take her out?
I don't know, she looks pretty pleased with herself.
Well, I thought you were getting into the trash. I didn't realize you were getting in the trash. Come on. Come on. Come on. You could come out anytime. Come on, honey. Go on. Go on. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. Come on, Penny. Get out. Come on, honey.
No.
Come on. You can't sleep in the trash can. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby.
I swear she must be related to Oscar.
Come on. Come on, JJ. Now you can't sleep in the trash can.
You have to wash her off before you pet her.
What's your fascination with this?
No idea.
Trash can kitty. Trash can kitty. It's probably gonna get right back in it.
Probably. It's pretty bad we thought the dog was getting into it. It's the cat.
You can have the bucket.
Boing. Hi.